In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the Salesforce logo, brand, and colors in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply looking to give your organization's interface a fresh new look, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Customizing your Salesforce interface helps align your workspace with your organization's brand, making it more visually appealing and on brand. To start, you need to open up Salesforce. Once you're on your Salesforce homepage, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to customizing and managing your Salesforce experience. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. Once you click the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll need to select Setup from this menu. This is where you'll have access to all the back-end tools you'll need for making these customizations. Now that you're in the Setup menu, you might feel a bit overwhelmed by the plethora of options. But worry not, we're going to simplify this. Look for the Quick Find box, which is an incredibly handy tool that makes it easier to find exactly what you're looking for. In the Quick Find box, type in Themes and Branding. When you see that option pop up below the search bar, click on it. This is where the real fun begins, as you can start tailoring your theme. Once you're inside Themes and Branding, look for the New Theme button. When you click on it, you'll be prompted to start the customization process. The first thing you'll need to do is enter a theme name. Choose a name that reflects your brand or the purpose of what you're trying to communicate. It could be as simple as your company's name or project related, whatever suits your needs best. Now, let's move on to the exciting part, picking out your brand colors. This is where you can choose a color scheme that best represents your organization and stands out to your team. It's important to keep in mind the colors that are significant to your brand identity, as visual coherence strengthens brand recognition. After selecting your colors, it's time to upload your logo. This addition personalizes the interface further and makes your Salesforce platform truly your own. Make sure that your logo file is in an acceptable format and resolution to ensure it appears clear and professional. With your brand colors and logo ready, the next essential step is to click Save. Saving your progress ensures that all your customizations are stored for previewing and activation. If you're curious about how your changes will actually look in action, there's a preview option. Clicking preview gives you a sneak peek into how your new theme, with the fresh logo and colors, will appear to all users. Once satisfied with how everything looks, the final and crucial step is to click Activate. By activating, you make your new theme live for all users in your organization. And there you have it. Just like that, you have successfully customized your Salesforce interface to reflect your brand's unique identity. Happy customizing!